Hello students, welcome to the class 11th microeconomics subject, in which we are discussing the chapter 1, in which we have already discussed the various concepts: what is economics, what is scarcity, what is choice, and the various central problems of an economy, that is, what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Today, we will discuss the next topic, that is opportunity cost and marginal opportunity cost. Dear students, what is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost means the next best alternative for goal is called opportunity cost. The next best alternative for goal is called opportunity cost. What does it mean? Suppose a doctor has three options. If he is practicing at government hospital, providing his services in government hospital, he is getting 50,000 rupees per month. And the next option for him is that if he is doing job in the private hospital, he is getting 40,000 rupees per month. And the third option for him, if he is practicing himself, he is earning 35,000 rupees per month. Then it is quite obvious that he must choose the first option for him to provide his services. That is, he will join the government job in the government hospital to get the 50,000 salary. For joining government hospital, he has to forgive the next alternative, that is providing his services in the private hospital, rupees 40,000. He has to forget it. He has lost it. That is because he is getting more than 40,000, that is 50,000 in the joining of government hospital. So this 40,000 is the opportunity cost. The next best alternative for goal is the opportunity cost, because if he is not getting the job in the government organization, government hospital, then he has the next best alternative, that is called joining in the private hospital. This is called opportunity cost. Now, come to the next terminology, marginal opportunity cost. What is marginal opportunity cost? It is the rate of sacrifice between two commodities, between two jobs, between two activities. That is, how much he has to sacrifice to get one more commodity of second item. How much commodity he has to sacrifice for getting that extra one of the second commodity from the first commodity. कहने का मतलब रेट ऑफ सैक्रिफाइस, एक कमोडिटी वो दो कमोडिटी कंज्यूम कर रहा है, तो दूसरी कमोडिटी की एक यूनिट ज़्यादा प्राप्त करने के लिए वह पहली यूनिट कमोडिटी की कितनी यूनिट उसे छोड़ना पड़ेगा. हाउ मच यूनिट ही हैज टू सैक्रिफाइस. सपोज यू हैव एन ऑप्शन that either you have to take one banana and two orange. If you want to get more banana, then you have to sacrifice two oranges. So these two oranges has been sacrificed for getting one banana. In this way, we can formulate a formula delta y by delta x. This is called MOC, marginal opportunity cost. The change in commodity 1 divided by change in commodity 2. This is called marginal opportunity cost. It is also called marginal transformation cost, MRT, marginal rate of transformation. So these are the various concepts we have to use in the economics for understanding the next topic, that is production possibility curve. What's the use of this terminology in the production possibility curve? We will discuss it in the next class, the production possibility curve. Today we have to stop this class. Welcome. Thank you.